How much money do you send them on a monthly basis?
I send my children $750 a month.
Skirt.
$55.
On top of...
I said no out.
A father is taking his ex-wife to court, accusing her of neglecting their children and refusing to pay child support. It's astonishing how some parents abandon their responsibilities, but this mother's behavior is even more outrageous than it appears. Her actions go beyond simple neglect. They expose a shocking level of irresponsibility and an utter disregard for her duties as a parent. The details of this case reveal a truly baffling situation, one that highlights the depths of her lack of accountability. Let's dive into the full story to uncover what really happened and why this case is so unbelievable.
Over here, Vagelina, she need to be coming up off the insurance money for these kids. She has not given me any help as far as like taking care of these kids. And then she want to play sports. I need help.
All right, how many kids are we talking?
3.
3? Okay, what are their ages?
16, 12, and 9.
All right.
Who kids are 16, 12, and 9? Go ahead.
You don't know?
He don't know it. Go ahead. I'm waiting.
Oh, okay.
Next. Don't worry.
So did you say the wrong ages or something?
16, 12, and 9.
Okay, I got you. Now, you don't have to do all of that back to her.
I'm sorry, Your Excellency.
She'll have her opportunity to speak. I just want to hear your side of things going on right now. So tell me, take a deep breath, woosah. All right. Now, what is going on? Tell me the backstory.
Okay. So me and Vag got together back in the day.
All right.
We been tight, everything was good. But then she started giving me like all kind of attitude, all kind of problems. She stopped showing up at home, Your Honor.
Okay.
And so I don't understand it. So when I was coming...
So y'all don't live together anymore?
No, not right now.
And the children live with?
Me.
Okay, got it. Continue.
Now, okay, let's be straight up. 2 of the kids, mine.
Okay.
I just take care of the little third one because she won't come around.
Okay.
I mean, he all right and stuff like that, but I take care of the third one. He all right, he's straight.
Okay.
But I don't get any insurance payments or any assistance. When these kids have to go to the doctor, when they have to be out of school because one of them hurt their leg or their arm or something like that, I don't get no help. I call her. Well, that's you taking care of them kids.
It's painfully clear that the father has taken on the full responsibility of raising their children, while the mother seems more focused on her own lifestyle than her parental duties. Imagine bringing children into the world only to neglect them, not just financially, but emotionally as well. The impact of such abandonment is heartbreaking, as the emotional scars could shape the children's future and leave lasting effects well into adulthood. The sense of rejection and instability they experience may stay with them for years. However, this story doesn't end here. Just wait until you hear the mother's side. It may completely change how you view this situation. Prepare to be surprised.
I understand your frustration.
Thank you.
Were y'all in a relationship?
We were married, unfortunately.
Oh, okay, so y'all are divorced.
Indeed.
All right, so you're under the divorce decree. Who had custody of the kids? Like who were, okay, you, okay. All right.
No bread.
So there was an agreement not to receive or pay child support at the time of the divorce?
Well, I didn't really want to.
I don't think the mother should pay child support to the father. You're the father.
I'll get to you in just a moment, and we'll touch on that comment you just made.
Your Highness, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of stuff I have to deal with. She don't want to do nothing for the children. Nothing.
Okay. She doesn't come and pick them up or anything like that?
I ain't gonna say that.
Lie about it.
Excuse me. That's it.
My apologies.
Don't apologize, just don't do it. Okay?
She came and picked them kids up when they had that versus battle.
Okay.
She came and picked them up.
All right.
Other than that,
was it something special about that battle?
them kids wanted to see it, so she was down for it and stuff like that. Other than that, she ain't come to pick. You ain't come pick them up for Easter. Not one Easter. One.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lewis, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her and she gets to tell me her side?
Now, I want you to hear what she got to say right quick, because it ain't going to be too much of nothing. I just need you to help me with this insurance.
Health insurance and child support, right?
I ain't going to really push that, but and you know, with you being the judge, Your Honor, you can push that child support, because we need a little help. We need a little help.
Okay.
It's hard out here.
All right. Well, can I move over to her?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Hello, great evening, sunshine. Is it really my turn? You ready? You done? Okay.
Okay, all of that extra.
Because, ma'am, he's not giving you the full
You know,
story.
although I love the Vogue, we don't need it right now, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, don't be sorry. Just don't do it. Get to the point. Let's go.
My ex-husband, when we divorced,
Okay.
I did not have the job in which I have now. That's how he received
Where do you
custody.
work at now?
I am now a building manager.
Okay.
I have been trying to get custody of my children for several months. The reason for the divorce, once I started working at the building in the beginning, I went to take the maintenance guy over to check out one of the units that needed to be serviced, and my husband was there sticking a toy in a young lady's ear.
Wait. Your Majesty, that's a desperation.
That is not a decimation of nothing,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
You was decimating that lady's ear, sir.
First of all, both of you are saying the word wrong.
She seriously accused him of sticking a toy in someone's ear? What kind of allegation is that? Either the father has been behaving in an unbelievably strange way, or the mother is making baseless claims to ruin his reputation. It's hard to tell whether there's any truth to this, or if it's just a desperate attempt to shift blame. As this case unfolds, it's spiraling further into chaos, with tensions rising and the drama becoming even more intense. There's clearly more to this story than meets the eye. Let's dig deeper to uncover the truth behind this shocking accusation.
In here. Let her speak. And then when she is done, if I need clarification or anything, I will come back to you, okay?
I apologize, Your Majesty.
Okay, no apologies. Just don't do it. It's that simple. Okay, now continue.
So, after that, I do come and pick up the children every weekend. I also pick them up on Wednesdays, correct? What do you do on...
You're talking to
I'm
me
sorry.
right now. You're not talking to him.
I pick them up every Wednesday and on the weekends.
Okay.
So that's when he go out and do his old nasty finagling with the money that I do send him. The children still call me for assistance financially because the money that I do send them,
How much money do you send them on a
I
monthly
send my
basis?
children $750 a month.
$55.
On top of...
I said no outburst. Do you want me to hear this case or not?
I really do. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
He is sorry. On top of...
I don't need you to throw jabs at him while I am addressing him, okay? You all are going to have to learn to respect each other. Otherwise, I can't get any information that I need, and I'll have to dismiss your case. And I know you do not want this case dismissed.
$750 a month on top of the insurance that I pay a month. And he just got a new car.
Okay.
And I believe he is about to move.
But he would need a car for the transportation of three
There
children.
was absolutely nothing wrong with the...
How do you know nothing? How do you know nothing was wrong with his car?
I'm there every week at least twice or 4 times to pick up and drop
That
off.
doesn't mean that nothing is wrong with
Pick
his
up and
car.
drop off.
Excuse me. That doesn't mean
He
that
got a
nothing
new
is
car
wrong with
because
his car.
he let his new girlfriend get the other car.
So are you mad about that?
No, I'm not. I'm mad that my money is not going to my children, and he has me in court asking for more money.
How do you know it isn't going to the children?
My children tell me, Mama, we don't have food in the house.
Do they
Mama,
tell you that or
they
you
do
ask
tell me
them?
that. Oh no, I don't have to ask them.
Well, and while
any
we're on the
question.
subject of the children, how old are they?
My children, Earth, Wind, and Fire. Our children.
Well, he said
Are
one
seven-
of them. He said one of them is not his child.
No, all 3 of them. 7, 9, and 11.
That's far
9,
You see what
and
I'm saying?
11.
You see
And
what I'm
yes,
saying,
I do
Judge?
want them to play sports because he have them at home playing video games where they're learning to play with strippers on some video game, but the girls shaking their tail on the table, on the pole, on the...
This case grows more dramatic by the moment. What began as a child support dispute has turned into a heated personal feud, with both parents hurling accusations. Yet, despite all the chaos, the mother has yet to provide a valid reason for refusing to pay child support or take responsibility for her children. The tension keeps rising, and if you think things are intense now, just wait. This battle is far from over. Stay tuned for what happens next.
Sports.
What kind of sports are you
I just
trying
want them to
put
play
in?
football, basketball.
Are you
They
going
can
to
do
cover
I
that
do not
expense?
mind.
Okay.
I actually want them back. My son walked in on him and his friend with a stripper. with the coinage, because he only makes what? A garbage, you pick up garbage and drop off garbage.
Okay, you don't have
That's
to
his-
shade him.
No shade.
Least
That's
he's
his occupation, ma'am.
At least he's working.
I'm not. No tea, no shade.
My job
If
is
he can
waste
pick-
management. While she trying to trip, it's waste
Pick up trash,
management.
drop off trash, and then pick up trash and pay for it with my coinage. So I don't feel that I should need to pay him anything extra.
Okay, let me ask you a question. How long have you been giving him, like how many months have you been giving him the $750?
It's been since they've been with him, and it's been a year.
Okay.
Year.
Badge, I don't know why you lying this late like this.
That's how we doing this.
I promise you.
No, that's not how we're doing this because y'all are supposed to be talking to me.
I'm sorry, ma'am. He
He would.
also have text messages from him where
Okay.
he's actually saying thank you for the payment. Thank
Okay.
you for the payment.
And you asked for, hold on one second, and you asked for back child support as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, they've been living with you for the past year. All right. And you're saying that's how much money that you've given him every single month. in
Every
that-
single month.
Okay. So the children do live with him, which means you should be paying him some sort of child support.
That's $950 so far a month.
Okay. I thought it was $750.
$750 plus the insurance that I'm already paying.
Oh,
That
okay.
is-
How much is the insurance?
The insurance is $200. $200 a month.
Okay. Is that for all three of the
That's
children?
for all 3 children.
Okay.
That's a travesty. You're higher up.
1 second. 1 second. Now, is that not what she's paying? How do you know?
The money that hits that account is nowhere near it.
How much has she been giving you according to your record?
In total, I have $785 from the whole year that someone calls themselves paying. I'm telling you, it's a travesty.
How do you send the money?
I send it
Cash app.
direct deposit. It comes out of my account directly.
So is it Cash App or
No,
is
no.
it
No,
direct
no.
deposit?
It's
Are the
direct
children
deposit.
16, 12, and
No, no.
9, or they 7, 9,
They
and
7,
11?
9, and
Y'all
11.
have me so
As the young
Come
folks
on
say
now.
these days, I got receipts.
I
Okay.
have receipts also, ma'am.
So it sounds like we need birth certificates too because
do
y'all don't
it.
know how old these
Let's
kids
do
are.
it. My son say he stays high. How would he know?
Oh,
I got a witness.
Bring
okay. Who is your witness? And what are they going to be a witness to?
My character and how she has not been paying on these bills that she's supposed to be paying on, Your Honor. I need help with this insurance.
Okay. All right, so we're going to have the bailiff get your witness.
Contributes only $800 a year for her children, making the father's story seem far more credible. Her absence, even during holidays, speaks volumes about her priorities. It's difficult to take her claims seriously when her actions show such little care or responsibility. With so much at stake, it's hard to ignore the reality of this situation. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments.
That's supposed to be my witness. What do you?
Didn't turn out that way today, Your Honor. Didn't turn out that way.
Okay, so she is your witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your name? Yes.
Shantae.
Okay. Did you forget your name?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, Miss Shantae, what? And you will not
I got
disrespect
quiet. I got quiet.
and disrupt her.
I get quiet.
Okay, please. Thank you. Now, Shantae, what's going on? Has she been giving this man $750 a month, or is
No.
his account
No,
true
ma'am.
that it's only $700 or so dollars?
There's
in total?
only $785 that's been given the whole year.
Okay.
The whole year.
Okay. Okay, Miss Shantae.
So where's
Are
the
you
rest of the money?
Wait, Miss
Excuse
Shantae.
me. No, you wait. You wait. I'm about ready to have my bailiff escort you out of here.
Square business, Your Honor.
You too.
I've been taking care of you.
Both of you. And Shantae, I know you just did not sit in this witness seat and start talking.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Yeah, don't be sorry. Don't do it. I'm going to tell you just like I told these two. Only answer the questions that I ask you, all right?
Okay.
So you're saying she's only given $785 for the entire year?
For the whole year.
Okay. And dad is being truthful about them living with him and everything like
Yes.
that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is your relation to this case? Because she said you were her witness.
Her witness? No.
Okay, so what is your relation to this case?
I'm his girlfriend.
Oh, okay. All right. So what you're saying is truthful about everything going on.
Correct.
Okay.
I've been taking care of her kids for the last year.
All right.
It was probably my kid's toy that he was putting in her ear.
Okay.
You jealous?
See, there she go with that discretion again.
Not jealous
Defamation.
Oh yeah.
at all. Not
Okay.
jealous at all, dear.
Why don't you take
So-
care of your kids? Send the money.
You're absolutely
Where's the
right.
money?
But weren't you? Wait. No. She wants to talk. Now, ma'am, weren't you the
Where's
one?
the money?
No. Weren't you the one that texted me?
If you ain't
and
talking
said,
about money, I don't hear nothing. Where's the
No,
money?
it is about
The
money.
money,
Aren't
the
you
money.
the one that said thank
Ching,
you,
ching,
ma'am,
the money.
so much for sending us the money for your kids?
Judge,
Because he's taking me
Judge.
on a trip next weekend.
No.
Isn't that the BS that
Mind
you
your
sent me?
business.
'Cause
We
that's
just
how
need
I
our
know that
money
my
for the
checks get
kids,
posted.
Your Honor. We're just
And
here
then,
about
ma'am,
the
when they
kids.
went on the trip, dear, she thought she was doing something about sending pictures of her hairy,
Your Honor.
run over body. Honey, don't nobody want
Your
that but
Honor.
him. You see, I love her.
See, she just goes on and on and on and on and on.
All
Your
right.
kids don't even want to
It
be with
sounds
you.
like
Just send your
both-
That's so
money.
untrue,
Excuse
dear.
me.
Send your
But you're
money.
also the girl that my kids saw him doing drugs off of your belly, right?
Excuse me?
Aren't you the girl that
No,
had the
ma'am.
white
Chill,
stuff?
hold on, wait, before you go.
That was
We need
her.
to
That
decisions
was her.
about this insurance.
No.
because that was
No.
her.
Lord,
So,
we
I
need
have been
decisions.
paying my coins. It's easy for
She
her to
just
say
mad.
that I don't pay, especially when he is sniffing it off of her belly region
Oh,
and when my
Lord
kids
Jesus.
walking in the room.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do because that went real left and I don't have time. I can leave.
I don't need you to do that. I promise, please.
Well, yeah. So it sounds like we probably need to.
This woman walked into court expecting her witness's support, but in a shocking twist, the witness sided with the father and chose to stand by the truth. Talk about an unexpected turn. Honestly, who could blame them? Defending someone who neglects their own children is impossible to justify. But the real surprise is yet to come. Just wait until you hear how much this entitled mother has been ordered to pay her ex-husband. This case is the perfect example of karma in action, and trust me, you won't want to miss the final outcome. Stay tuned for the details.
100,000 a year is what she makes.
Okay, thank you. Now, nothing else while I'm talking. Okay, thank you.
But they just
Health insurance, $200. You get credit for that.
Oh, no.
Your child support, because you capped out, is going to come out to $2,760 plus the $100 reimbursement, bringing your amount to $2,860 per month.
So we brought the same type of evidence in here, and because he's hunching his, I have to pay the month.
Okay, that was inappropriate, first off. Second off, I made my ruling.
Which was a great ruling, Your Highness.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure was.
You almost didn't get it
be
because
the
of this
glory.
behavior. All right. Are there any other questions?
No, ma'am.
As I said, if you can bring testimony, evidence is evidence. Now, you saying that he didn't do it is not going to be sufficient. You have another witness over here who says that you haven't done it. So, am I supposed to just believe? Wait a minute. Am I just supposed to believe that you have done it? You said you do it by direct deposit,
I
right?
do.
So that means you should have some slips to show that
but
he's
he
not
don't have
telling the
any
truth.
either. He just have the mouth that he landed in.
Okay, well, here's the deal. I said what I said. You didn't have anything. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, Your Honor.
You know what?
Okay, if there is nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Just
Thank you.
About instant karma. There's something incredibly satisfying about watching entitled parents face the consequences of their actions. Neglecting your children shouldn't just result in financial penalties. It deserves far more serious repercussions. Parenting is a lifelong responsibility, not an option, and failing to fulfill it should never be excused. This mother learned the hard way that abandoning her duties would come back to haunt her in the worst way. What do you think about the rise of single-parent households and the issue of irresponsible parenting? Do you believe the system holds neglectful parents accountable enough? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more juicy court drama. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.